Welcome back. Let's do question 442. In the diagram, M is the center of the circle having Pn as its diameter. KL is a tangent to the circle at N. Determine the minimum length of AB. Remember, we managed to find the length of AB in terms of t, which is this. AB is equal to the square root of 2t squared plus 4t plus 9. Right, so this AB is going to be minimum if this expression underneath the square root sign is minimum. We need to find the value of t when this expression is minimum. I'm going to show you three methods here. Right, the first one, we can derive this expression and equate it to 0, and you find our t. So when this expression is minimum, then the whole AB is going to be minimum. Let's find the value of t when 2t squared plus 4t plus 9 is going to be minimum. So let's derive. So we're having 2t squared, so 2 times 2, which is 4, and then t to the power 2 minus 1, that is t. Then plus derive 4t, we get 4. Then this is equal to 0. And then we solve for t. So for t is equal to negative 4, meaning that t is equal to negative 1. Okay, so 2t squared plus 4t plus 9 is going to be minimum when t is equal to negative 1. So where there's t, we put negative 1 to find the minimum value of AB. So it's going to be AB is equal to the square root of 2 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 9. Right, this is going to be 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 9, that is negative 7. So it means the minimum length of AB is going to be square root of 7. The other way to do it, we can use the axis of symmetry for a parabola. This parabola is concave up because the value of A here is positive. So we have our 2t squared plus 4t plus 9. Then this is parabolic. So we can use t is equal to negative b over 2a, the axis of symmetry. Right? So we say t is equal to negative 4 over 2 times our a is 2 times 2, meaning that t is equal to negative 1. And then we substitute into AB, we're going to get the minimum length of AB, which is square root of 7. Right, the other thing we can do, remember writing the quadratic expression in the turning point format. Remember, we write this in the form. So this is the x value of the turning point, and then this is the y value of the turning point. We can convert the standard form to the turning point format, and then this will assist us to find the value of t at the turning point. If it's concave up like this, you find the value of t when this expression is minimum. Okay, and then also we'll find the value of y from P and Q there. Okay, let's extract this and we do completing the square of this 2t squared plus 4t plus 9. So we have 2t squared plus 4t plus 9. Completing the square, we have to divide everything by 2 so that the coefficient of t squared is 1. It's 2, then t squared plus 2t plus 9 over 2, right? And then we complete the square, what is inside the square brackets here. So 2 is still there. And then t squared plus 2t, we have the coefficient of t. So half of 2 is 1. And then we square it and then add and subtract. So we say plus 1 squared minus 1 squared plus 9 over 2. Find the coefficient of t, you halve it, you square it, and then you add and subtract the squares. Now this will give us, you just take t and your 1 there, will give us t plus 1. So it's going to be 2 and then t plus 1 squared. But if you want, you can do it the long way and factorize. It will give you t plus 1 squared. Just take this t and take this 1 there. Right? That's why I write this with a sign. Always write this one with a sign. If it's negative 1, if the coefficient of t was negative 2, there I was going to write negative 1 here, and then say t minus 1, and then squared. And then we're left with negative 1 plus 9 over 2, negative 1 plus 9 over 2, because this 1 squared is 1, then negative becomes negative 1 here because of this negative, right? And then becomes 2, then t minus 1 squared, then negative 1 plus 9 over 2 will give us 7 over 2. Okay, and then we distribute the 2 times the bracket, then 2 times 7 over 2. Then what do we get? We get that this is 2 t minus 1 plus here. This is plus, sorry. T plus 1 squared, then plus 7. Now, this is the coordinate of the turning point. So which is t is equal to negative 1. And then this will be the y value, which is 7. Or you can do the same thing and substitute negative 1 where there's what? Where there's t. And then you get your 7. And then remember, this has to be square rooted because we just dealt with this. And AB is the square root of this. So meaning that AB is going to be square root of 7. Square root of 7.